Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a bot, okay, in like Discord. So first of all, you open Discord and you're going to be like, how do I make a bot? First of all, open Chrome or open a GX browser, okay, a new browser. So just make a new tab. I'm making a new tab because I'm using the Discord browser. So here you have to search Discord developer portal. And now if you search this, you will see like something called discord.com, like this Discord developer portal documentation. So you will see this, and here will be some of like options. So click on application. So it will load like this, okay. So you will see applications, go there, and you will see like this type, okay. I have not using this word, but I'm using it, okay. So you will have like this type of thing. First you will be like here, and then here. From here you will see like application. Look at that, okay. So here near your profile you'll see like a new application. Click on that, name it anything. I'm going to just name it Roblox YT Roblox YT Power. Yeah, I'm gonna name that and create it. And then when you create it, it will be something like that. So I'm going to upload a video real quick. So I'm going to change my this one, and you can type here anything. I'm going to just not do that right now. Save changes. Okay, then after that you have to go to bots. Wait, just let it be saved. Okay, leave it. We can do it after we do this. Okay. Go to bots, and then you will see like add bot. So click on that, and then it will be like add a bot to this app. Adding a bot user gives your app visible live in Discord. However, just leave that and then just do it yes to you. Then it will be something like this. Okay, so I'm going to just do something. And if you want like a better text, I'm going to go here and then search Discord font bold text. Just type that, okay, and then you have, and then you will find like this, like anything. I don't know what this would call, but I think it's this. Yeah, support.discord.com. You do that. Oh wait, it's the wrong one. Sorry guys. Yeah, you do this. I'm going to link this in the description so you guys can check it out. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to type here Roblox YT. What shall we name? Yeah, universe. Okay. So you could put, you could click on anything. Okay. I'm going to choose this one. It looks good. Just copy that. Okay. And now we have to just close this, and then just right click, and then you see space. Do that. Okay. And then save it. Changes. Okay. Then what you got to do? Leave this. Okay. Now what you got to do is go to like yeah, you have to stay in bot. Then click on new browser and type this Discord bot client dot jpmavry create dot reply rep dot co. Okay guys, I'm going to tell you something. Okay, you should not do it. You should not put anything capital. Okay, I'm going to link this website in the description so that you guys can also see it. Okay, I'm going to just copy it. Okay, So it will take some time. It will take some time to load. So yeah. So it will be like slash login. So what you do is just do that. Then go to your Discord developer portal, and then you will see like a token. Token is actually a password so that you can log in into a bot. So copy that, then paste it here, and then continue. Then it will take some time to load up, or else I'm going to just use another browser. I can use this one. So yeah, actually some problems, sometimes there's some problem. So I'm going to see you guys after I log in into my account in the different browser. But it will surely work because I can't use like this because it's not working, it's not showing up. Look, I will just paste this, and it has some problem like rating and all that stuff. Sorry for the ending video. Okay, so yeah, and if you want to join my Discord server, I'll just link it in the description. This is my Discord server. Yeah, the rules are a little bit weird, so you need to download it. Yeah, look, I just typed it and I'm in it. So yeah. So if you like if you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe, like, share. Okay, wait just a second. I'll just go to youtube.com real quick and go to my YouTube channel and show you. Okay guys, I'll tell you how to subscribe. You look at my YouTube channel, like the profile, I can do it but you can't. There are two videos. Here you'll see like a subscribe button, click on that and there'll be like a bell. So click on that and do it all so that you guys can like receive the notification whenever I upload the video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Okay guys, I'm back. I opened my developer portal and I logged in into my account. To make sure, I'm going to just check if it's loading. No. Okay, leave it. So now you'll see token like that. Okay, so you have already copied the token right from going here to the Discord developer portal, and then I'm going to tell you again. Go to your Discord developer portal. Go to bots where you go use the bot, and underneath the username you'll see like token. Never reveal this or share this to your friends. It's like you can reveal it to you but never send this to anyone else. It's like a password for your bot. So yeah, so now just copy it and then go back to the Discord developer portal, then right click and paste it. Okay, it will be like this and then log in. And sometimes like for Microsoft Edge it will be like this. So yeah, that's what is the problem for